In this video, you'll learn how to create segments in Mailchimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to categorize your audience effectively, allowing for targeted communication. Begin by navigating to Mailchimp homepage, open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL. Once the page is loaded, you will see a dashboard with various options displayed prominently. Next, locate and click on the audience option from the left-hand menu. This will take you to a screen that displays your audience overview, including metrics related to your contacts and audiences. After that, look for the Segments button within the audience dashboard. Clicking on Segments will direct you to a page that lists all existing segments you may have created previously. Once this appears, find and click on the Create Segment button. This action will open a new page where you can define the criteria for your new segment. Now click on the Tags option to filter your audience based on specific tags. This will allow you to categorize your contacts according to predefined labels. Next, you will need to click on the Select or Search a Tag prompt. A drop-down list of available tags will appear, enabling you to choose relevant tags for your segment. Choose an existing tag from the list. This selection will help narrow down the contacts included in your new segment. Now, click on the Review Segment button. This will present you with a summary of the contacts that will be included based on your selected criteria. After reviewing, click on the Segment Builder option. This feature allows you to further refine your segment by adding additional conditions if necessary. Proceed by clicking on the Use Segment button. This confirms your selections and prepares you to name. Next, click on the Name Your Segment field. This action will highlight the area where you can input a name for your new segment. Now, click on the segment name placeholder. This will enable you to edit the name and prepare it for your segment. Type in the name of your segment in the designated field. Make sure to choose a name that accurately reflects the criteria used to create the segment. Finally, click on the Save and Exit button to complete the process. Once clicked, the segment will be saved and you will be redirected back to the segments page where you can see your newly created segment listed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.